What is social health? Social health is the ability of individuals to form healthy and rewarding interpersonal relationships with others. Good social health looks like adapting to social situations, staying true to yourself in all situations, balancing your social and personal time. You balance your alone time and social time. You're assertive but not aggressive. You can be yourself. You treat others well and with respect. You have fun. You participate in the community. You have a healthy social circle. Elements of social health include treating people with kindness, communicating clearly, developing meaningful relationships, acting appropriately in relationships, establishing and respecting personal boundaries. And here are some more steps to take towards developing a good social health. Surround yourself with good people. A strong support system has a positive influence on your overall well-being. Practice self-care. Engage in hobbies and extracurriculars. Stick to a healthy routine. Continue working on better communication. Thank you.